Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your BMW X3 with its key. First, understand that your key fob contains a small battery that powers its remote functions. If this battery is low or completely dead, you won't be able to unlock doors remotely or use the push-button start as usual. However, there's a simple manual override process to get your vehicle running. When your key fob battery is low, your BMW X3 might display a warning message on the dashboard. If the battery is completely dead, you'll need to manually unlock the driver's door. To do this, locate the small release button or lever on your key fob to slide out the hidden physical key blade. This blade is essential for gaining entry to your vehicle when the remote functions fail. Once inside, the next step is to place your key fob directly against the designated area on the steering column. This spot is usually marked or indicated in your owner's manual. This allows the vehicle to read the key's transponder chip, bypassing the need for a working battery. With the key fob in place, simply press the Start/Stop button to ignite your BMW X3's engine. After successfully starting your BMW X3, remember to replace the key fob battery promptly. Most BMW key fobs use a standard CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. It's always a good idea to keep a spare battery in your glove compartment for emergencies. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This ensures you're always prepared for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.